To adjust permissions on a Samsung A36 5G, start by opening Settings. Next, you'll have to go below into Security and Privacy. And right now, just go below for Permissions. Tap on this arrow. You'll have to click Start. And now, as you can see, you can adjust permissions like this, or for example, for some apps, it's actually quite simple. So let's say that I want to grant permission into location. So I have to click here, and I can here manage apps with this permission. And when I'm going to scroll down, I can find all apps that are not allowed to grant permission into location. If I want to change it, for example, if I want to grant permission for a camera, I will have to tap on it and then select allow only while using application or ask every time. Then I can just go back. And here it will be available right here, allow all the time or allowed only while in use. And that's how we can do this for every, permission. So for microphone, for phone calls, short messages, photos, and stuff like this.